Your friends can't hear you on Discord? Don't worry. In just a few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to fix your mic and get back to chatting. First, open Discord. Go to the bottom left corner and click on the gear icon. This opens the user settings. Now scroll down and click on Voice and Video under App Settings. Here, look at the Input Device section. Make sure the correct microphone is selected. If you see Default, it might not work properly. Click the drop-down menu and choose the microphone you use. Next, check the input volume. It should be turned up. If it's too low, others may not hear you. Slide it to the right to make it louder. Now scroll down and click the Let's Check button under Mic Test. Speak into your microphone. If you see the green bar moving, your mic is working. If not, move to the next step. Now, let's check your Windows settings. Right-click the sound icon in the taskbar and select Sound Settings. Scroll down to Input and choose your microphone from the list. If it's not there, try unplugging and plugging it back in. Also, click on Device Properties and make sure the volume is turned up there as well. Go back to Discord. In Voice and Video Settings, scroll down and find the section called Input Sensitivity. Turn off Automatic Input Sensitivity. After that, move the slider slightly to the left so it can detect softer sounds. This can help if Discord is not picking up your voice. If it's still not working, go to Debugging section on the right and click Reset Voice Settings. A warning will pop up. Click OK. This resets everything back to default. After that, set your microphone again as the input device. Also, make sure no other apps like Zoom or Skype are using the microphone at the same time. Close those apps and restart Discord. Lastly, try restarting your computer. It sounds simple, but it can fix small software issues that block your mic. If none of these steps work, try updating your audio drivers. You can do that by going to Device Manager in Windows. Find your microphone under Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right-click and choose Update Driver. That's it. These steps usually fix most mic issues on Discord. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.